Okay, so what's happening here is that color does not come out of the box when you use Python. Okay, so who's bought like a tablet, like an iPad or a Galaxy Samsung? Yeah, you've all bought the tablet, and you get the box, and you're very excited about it. And then when you open the box, what does it usually come with? It comes with a tablet. What else does it come with? It comes with like the plug, right? What doesn't it come with? Does it recently come with the charger?
Not anymore.
Not anymore, right? Does it come with a pencil, like the stylus, right? Some things you buy and it comes there in the box for you, which is great, right? And then some things you want, but is not in the box, right? Like the charger, maybe the fast charger, or the stylus, or the keyboard, right? If you want to have a keyboard for your tablet, doesn't come out of the box. So what do you need to do if you want those things?
Buy them.
Yeah, you got to buy them, don't you? You got to go off to the shop, the Apple Store, online, right? Spend more money. So to buy things in Python, we're going to use this line of code, okay? So you see here it says from goodies import color, okay? So what does that mean? I think earlier we might have thought that the from word might have been a function, but it's not because it doesn't have the brackets, okay? It's another special type of word. So the goodies part, imagine, so the goodies part is called the module in Python. So this is like the shop, all right? This is like the name of the shop. So if you want to go buy a charger, maybe you can go to the official Apple shop, or maybe you can go to Kmart and buy another charger that's not Apple, but you can still get the charger, right? But there's many different shops. So the goodies in this example is like the name of the shop. And we're going to be using this shop a lot because this goodies module is something that Code for Schools wrote so that you can have all these extra things that you can buy and put into your code, okay? So that's the name of the shop. So you go to the shop, goodies is the name, okay, there you are. You're walking to the shop, you get to the shop, and then the word import is like buying. Okay, so you got to the shop, you're going to buy some code from the shop. Okay, so color is the thing from the shop that you're going to buy and take back into your code. Okay, so import color. So you're gonna buy color. Okay, there you go. Look, the guy's taking the color module. Okay, and he's walking away, and now he can use color in his code. Okay, that's buying one thing. Alternatively, or additionally, you can buy multiple things. All right, the goodies shop has got tons of stuff in it. Okay, it's almost like a Kmart. So you can buy, for instance, style. Okay, so you can style your text. We'll talk about that in a bit. And play sound. If you want to buy multiple things, you put them at the end of the import statement, separated by commas. Okay, so in this case, we're buying three things: color, style, and play sound, represented by those three books. And he's going to walk away with those three things. It means you can start using them in your code. Okay. And finally, if you want to go to the shop and buy everything, right? If you don't want to type out all that color and style and play sound and you can't remember, you just want to buy everything and take it home, you can just put a little star. It'll get everything, but it may have a small impact, okay? What do you think more code means? If you're going to take things from the library which has more code, what do you think they'll do to your program? It will increase the length, okay, behind the scenes, okay? It will use up more memory. It'll use up more memory.